good afternoon everyone. Firstly, I would like to thank Chitkara University and the Center for Analytics and Data Excellence for inviting me for today's Data Week. On behalf of the Indian School of Business and ISB Institute of Data Science, I would like to congratulate Chitkara University and the Chitkara Business School for organizing this event and also encouraging the students so that they can participate in the Data Week, Datathon, giving them an opportunity to meet the industry experts. I think the Center for Business Analytics at Chitkara University is doing a fantastic job by organizing these activities, inviting industry experts and giving students an opportunity to interact with them, network with them, giving the students an opportunity or a base or a platform, they can widen their horizon. So great and fantastic work done by the entire team of Center for Business Analytics, and I wish them all the very best for this particular event and for the future endeavors. Thank you.